Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the Algebra 1 concept of association and causation. This is standard A.4B in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 11 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we need to find the situation that shows causation, but we don't have any definitions that we can refer to on our answer documents or our reference materials. So let's look at those real quick. So the weaker of the two different relationships that we're examining in the standard is called an association. So that's when you have two different variables are related. So there's some type of connection, but you can't say that one is directly impacted by the other or caused by the other. That's the stronger of the two relationships that we're looking at, and that's called causation. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a situation that's got a strong relationship that shows that one variable is directly affected by another variable. Or you can say that when one variable changes, that causes another variable to change. So you're looking for that cause. So let's just look at our four scenarios here, and we'll quickly see that we're only going to find one that shows causation. When the number of people in a bus increases. All right, so that's our independent variable, our x, right? So we're increasing the number of people in a bus. What's happening because of that? The number of animals in a zoo increases. That has nothing to do with each other. Maybe. That's our dependent variable. Maybe you can say it's a weak association. Even then, that might not have an association. What's causing both of those? Well, I could think of the city population increases. All right, so if the city population increases, that's going to increase the tax money, which is going to help fund the city zoo. So the city zoo is going to have more money. They are going to have the ability to get some more animals, and that's also going to mean that your bus service is going to extend and maybe more people are on a bus. Maybe. So maybe there's a very weak association there. Definitely not a causation. You can't put more people in a bus and suddenly more animals show up. B. When the number of hours worked each week by an hourly employee decreases. Okay, so we have an hourly employee, like maybe someone working fast food, that decreases. Okay, the hours decreases. The amount of money earned by the employee also decreases. Well, that's definitely an association, because if you're an hourly employee, the number of hours you work is affects how much money you make. But can we say that the number of hours directly causes the amount of money you get on your paycheck? Yeah, you can. It's the only thing that affects your paycheck, right? Unless you get a raise or you get a demotion and you lose money. But that's definitely a causation, because if you're an hourly employee, and that's what makes it very important, is that's your paycheck. It's just the number of hours times your hourly rate. Boom, there's your paycheck. So yeah, I'm thinking B looks pretty good. Let's check C and D just to make sure. When the amount of a discount for sale increases, okay, so discount increases, so they're taking more off. The number of items sold during the sale decreases. See, that doesn't make much sense. Maybe there's a negative association here. When the discount increases, this is what I would expect. The discount goes up, I would expect the sales to go up. So it's the exact opposite, right? When the discount decreases, the sale would decrease. But those two, definitely not a causation. And then when the number of bike trails in a city decreases, the amount of rainfall increases. What in the world do bike trails have to do with rainfall? I don't see any association. Maybe if there is one, it's super, super weak. But no. The answer here best answer is B.